Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add or remove the restricted areas, the no-go zones, and we have the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Pro. So, in the first step we need to open the robot in the application, then click on the map with the pen icon and select the restricted areas and virtual walls. Now if you want to add anything from the bottom menu, select the wall, the no mop zone, the no vacuuming and mop zone. So let's select the vacuuming and mopping restricted area. As you can see now on the map we have a small red square. If you want to resize it, hold this bottom right corner. If you want to change the place of it, just swipe the finger on it. Then click on the accept button, and as you can see we have a new no-go zone. If you want to remove it, you need to open the same menu, so click on the map, tap on the restricted areas, click on this and tap on the X, then accept, and that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.